I'm Dr. Swati Popatwats. I'm the president of the Early Childhood Association of India. It's a non-profit association. We work for enhancing the quality of care and education for the early years in this country. I'm also the president of the Podar Education Network. So I head about 450 preschools of Podar, both in India and in UAE. And I also head their teacher training program. I was very amazed when I did the test myself because I was expecting some grand, boring questions and stuff like that. But it was a very, very simple test. And when I saw the report, it was 90% matching to what I feel where I stand. See, as an adult now, we know where we stand. We know our strengths, we know our weaknesses. So it was very amazing to see that such a simple test was able to really identify all the plus points and the negative points. It's very important that when we are bringing up children, both as educators and parents, we can see their physical development, but we are not able to see their brain development. And brain plays the most important part both in education and in your personality development. So when you do a test like this, it helps parents understand their children better. It helps teachers understand the strengths of their children. I wouldn't call it weaknesses, but yes, it also helps the teacher understand that this is not a strong point of this child, so I shouldn't be pushing this child for this. Or maybe I can use one of the strengths of the child to help motivate the other skills which require to be strengthened. Because we've done the Brain Wonders quality audit, we have quality audited the product. Early Childhood Association right now is an expert association in this country, and we are very keen that only the approved products should go out to children and parents. And we are very happy that Brain Wonders is such a committed company that they have got their audit done by an association like ours. Of course, you have passed it with flying colors, and you've got our audit certificate. So definitely over a period of years, we do plan to do some things together. As and when we decide, I'm sure it's going to benefit the whole community. It is very important as teachers. A teacher has done her B.Ed or her ECC Ed, but do you really know the teacher? Do you know whether she's patient, whether she's caring, whether she has empathy, whether she does have an affinity for maths, arts, science? So it is very important that to actually really know the teacher, you get an assessment like this done, especially to the staff who are with you and you know you're going to invest in them. I feel this is a much needed investment, and this is one of those tests which I feel are not those run of the mill fly by night kind of tests. Ultimately you feel kuch mila nahi mujhe, I didn't get an understanding, because when you see the report card of this test, it's amazing. So I feel yes, it's an investment worth doing.
To learn more about DMIT and Brain Wonders, visit us at www.brainwonders.in. Work with children in their areas of weakness and help maintain their strengths and inborn talents.